This is a fun and festive treat that is the perfect addition to your holiday cookie platter. Here to share how to make coconut snowball cookies, we welcome back professional baker Lauren Sharpton. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
Holiday cookie platter.
Yes.
So many things.
Oh, lots of things that you want to shove on there. This is one that's really fun to do at a party.
Oh, nice.
Or at home with kids or by yourself.
That's a great idea.
As a gift.
Because you'll have the chocolate chip covered, you'll have maybe the iced sugar cookie. Here's something a little bit different.
Yeah, this is a coconut snowball cookie, and so I'm going to have you help me make one if
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. This is a cup of flour, so it's a one bowl thing. I'm into just dumping everything into a bowl.
Dishes. Yes, that's what I'm all about.
And then I'm going to hand you this. This is a cup of sweetened coconut, shredded coconut.
Going in.
So just dump it in there. And then you quarter cup of powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar, whatever you want to call it. You just put
Is
it
it
in
the
there.
same thing?
Print it, yeah.
Okay.
And this is a pinch of salt. If you want to get technical, it's 1/8 of a teaspoon.
Perfect.
But honestly, a pinch, you know. And then this is 6 tablespoons of coconut oil. So what I like to do before I add that is mix this. So
mix this together. Okay, get everything going.
Yeah.
How did you come upon or decide to do a coconut snowball cookie?
Well, so it's actually pretty similar to snow dough if you've ever made that with kids.
Yeah.
Except you eat it. You eat it after you do it, right? Okay. So this is your coconut oil, and then you probably need this to add it in.
Smush it all in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is the part where you get to get your hands all busy because you really do have to mix it in and pack it like a snowball.
Okay. Okay.
So if we just kind of get in there, you know, wishy-washy your hands first, and then just start
going in.
Squeeze it in there.
Okay.
And so you just want to get that coconut oil to kind of almost
broken up.
Yeah, and touch all of the flour, sugar, coconut that you just.
This is a good exercise.
It is. It's actually totally for your fingers. You're going to be like, wow. Yeah.
And this is a good kind of one bowl contained mess. It's a little messy, but
and if you this is a fun one to do with kids because, well, so long as they're ones that like to get their hands dirty.
Yeah.
If they don't, sometimes you can put gloves on them and convince them to dig in.
That's a good
and
idea.
Slowly work their way to
Some kiddos, they have different sort of sensory things that they don't love sometimes.
Nope. And sometimes if you can ease their way into it, they will end up kind of loving it.
Okay.
Okay. And then when you've done that, you have to find a way, and you have to really squeeze it.
Just go for it.
So sometimes if the coconut oil isn't mixed in, it won't come together.
You need like a good little batch of oil to make this. I see. Yeah. Man,
so
this is
and it's and I usually make them about 1 inch to about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Smaller tends to be better because you really do have to squeeze them into a snowball like you're going to throw it at someone.
Okay.
So keep going until you squeeze it.
I can feel it. Something is happening here.
And then you squeeze, squeeze, squeeze.
Oh man, I feel like my biceps are just going to be on fire later today.
And then once it squeezes, right? Sometimes I have a harder time than other times. But then after you're going to build up a ball and you're going to put it on your baking sheet. Okay. And then I
got something going here.
Yeah, you can put it on
mini snowman.
Yeah, there you go. You can chill it in the fridge or bake it right away. Depends on your patience level. I haven't noticed a difference between chilling it. So let's see how sometimes it kind of falls apart. You can just go back in and just keep working on it, you know, and squishing your coconut oil. You can also add more coconut oil if you want to. Okay. And then that might.
It is very satisfying though when you've kind of gone through the process of. I worked hard to make that little snowball.
You really do have to really squeeze it. Yeah.
Okay, so chilling is okay. Doesn't have to be.
Not okay. And then when you find yourself, you're going to have about 10 to 12 of these snowballs once you've gotten the ratio done and made your kind of snowballs. And then what you want to do is set your oven to 350.
350.
And bake it about, 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
And what you'll end up with is, I'm going to show you this one over here is what you end up with.
Those are so cute.
So this is, if you want to end, kind of stop there, these are tasty.
Sure, right? Yeah.
You can also,
got yummy stuff in there.
Yeah. You can add to the fun if you want to, if you have, friends, family, kiddos that are super excited about it. Get yourself a cup of confectioner's powdered sugar.
Okay.
This is 4 teaspoons of milk.
Okay.
And
Easy.
you just mix.
Mix.
I'm gonna make you do more
I love it.
mixing.
This is my learning kitchen. This is where I'm learning all the fun things.
Yeah, and so you mix that, and really, honestly, it's kind of like the Play-Doh thing. It's another tactile thing.
That is so easy too. That this is it.
Yeah, and when it comes, you keep mixing until it comes together. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this
and do a little
dip.
You're
just gonna kind of dip it, and then you can turn it with your spoon or not. And then
the real fun of a rainbow sprinkle.
Then you get to go, wee!
Okay, come on. Who doesn't love that?
Yeah. Then you have your coconut snowball.
How fun and cute and easy was that?
Yeah.
I'm going to take a little lick of the... Nothing wrong with that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Fun recipe to share at home. We'll have this recipe and more information about Lauren on our website at KATU.com.